Ever wondered what it would take to survive in the wild? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Adventure and Survival with your host, Bud. Today we're diving deep into the heart of survival, the lifeblood of every adventurer, the Wilderness Survival Kit. Imagine you're a castaway stranded on an island just like Tom Hanks in Cast Away. But instead of a volleyball named Wilson, you've got your trusty survival kit. This kit is your best friend, your lifeline, your Wilson. First up, we've got the Swiss Army knife of survival tools, the multi-tool. This little guy is like a whole toolbox in your pocket. It's got everything from a knife and a saw to a can opener and a screwdriver. It's like having a whole team of construction workers all rolled into one compact, easy-to-carry package. Next, we've got the compass. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bud, I've got a GPS on my phone. Well, let me tell you, when you're out in the wilderness, your phone's about as useful as a chocolate teapot. A compass, on the other hand, is like your personal North Star, guiding you through the wilderness when all other lights go out. Then, there's the fire starter. This is your personal dragon, breathing fire into your campsite. It's like a match, but it doesn't run out and it works even when it's wet. It's the difference between a cold, miserable night and a warm, cozy one. And let's not forget about the first aid kit. This is your personal medic, ready to patch you up when things go south. It's like having your own personal ER right there in your backpack. Last but not least, we've got the emergency blanket. This shiny piece of plastic might not look like much, but it's like a superhero's cape. It can keep you warm, protect you from the elements, and even signal for help. So there you have it, folks. The essential items every wilderness survival kit should have. Remember, when you're out in the wild, your survival kit is your lifeline. It's your Wilson. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to join me on more adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.